Hello students, here's your science tutor, Nishat. The last chapter that we studied was all about matter. And what is this matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. And matter is made up of the tiny particles. We have also learned that based on the physical properties of particles, matter can be classified as the solids, liquids and gaseous state of matter. Now, keeping all this basic knowledge in our mind, let us dive into a new chapter, a new topic, that is matter around us pure? Pure. We have often heard this word or seen this word pure written on consumables like pure honey, pure ghee, pure milk, pure water. So are these things actually pure? And what do we mean by this word pure? Well, according to chemistry, a pure substance is one which is made up of only one type of particles that are identical to one another, that are same as one another. Now, for example, a pure copper would contain only the copper particles in it, which means the copper particles in this pure copper are identical to one another, are same as that of another. Then what about these so-called the pure ghee, pure honey, pure milk? Are they actually pure? Well, the honey consists of the particles of honey, particles of glucose, particles of water. Whereas the milk, it consists of the particles of fats, particles of proteins, particles of water. And these particles are not identical to one another. That means they are not pure. Then what are these substances actually called as? Well, according to chemistry, such substances are called as the mixtures. So a mixture is anything that contains or is made up of two or more pure substances mixed in it or combined in it. Now, most of the matter that we see around us is actually a mixture. For example, the air. Air is a mixture of so many gases and dust particles. The seawater is also a mixture. It is a mixture of salts, minerals, the marine aquatic plants, the animals, etc. The simplest of simple example, the pizza that we all crave for is also a mixture. It's a mixture of so many ingredients. The tea, the lemonade, these are all mixtures. So with this, we understand that matter can be also classified as the mixtures and pure substances based on its chemical nature. Well, these mixtures are of two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So first, let us understand what is this homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture is the one in which the substances are uniformly or evenly distributed throughout. For example, when we add sugar in water, the sugar blends in water, it gets dissolved and is uniformly distributed throughout the water. Sugar particles are no more visible to us. So the mixture appears smooth, it appears uniform, and such a mixture is called as a homogeneous mixture. Another example, air. Air is also a homogeneous mixture because the gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen are all uniformly distributed throughout. We cannot identify the individual gases from the air. Hence, it is also a homogeneous mixture. Next, heterogeneous mixture. A heterogeneous mixture is a one in which the substances are not uniformly distributed, are not evenly distributed. For example, when we add oil to water, oil does not blend in water. Oil doesn't get dissolved in water. Hence, the two distinct layers of oil and water are visible in this mixture. We can identify oil and water in this mixture. Thus, this mixture doesn't appear smooth or uniform throughout, and such a mixture is called as a heterogeneous mixture. The other example, soil. Soil is a heterogeneous mixture because it contains the particles of sand, particles of decayed matter, particles of stones, and so many other things that are not uniformly distributed in the soil. Hence, it is a heterogeneous mixture. So children, so far we studied that based on the chemical nature, matter can be classified as pure substances and mixtures. And pure substances according to chemistry is the one which is made up of only one type of particles that are identical to one another. And what is mixture? According to chemistry, mixture is anything that contains of two or more pure substances combined or mixed in it. Further, we also saw that mixtures are of two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is a one in which the substances are evenly or uniformly distributed throughout. For example, air is a homogeneous mixture, whereas the heterogeneous mixture are the one in which the substances are not uniformly or not evenly distributed throughout. Example, soil. Children, let us continue this chapter in our next video.